Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this brand new Audi RS4 Avant 25 years edition. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which just really gives this vehicle that menacing road appearance. This is the 25 years edition, so it does commemorate 25 years of the RS4, with the production now coming towards an end. This particular example does also feature some quirks such as the upgraded alloy wheels for this model, as well as the upgraded carbon ceramic brakes, the carbon kit on the exterior and the bucket seats on the inside. Moving towards the front of the vehicle, we find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Featuring again are these fantastic 20-inch 5 wide-spoke Audi Sport alloys wrapped in the Pirelli P0 Corsa tyres, specifically engineered for this vehicle to improve added performance. Moving towards the side of the vehicle now, we do find the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, and etched into the rear glass is the RS4 edition 25 years. Now moving into the rear boot space of the RS4 Avant, where we find up to 505 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 3 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find this fantastic interior finished in Napa leather with the Dinamica Alcantara in the centre, along with that fantastic golden yellow stitch. There is also a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and both front seats can be seen from the back with their fully carbon exposed shell. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of that plush fine Napa leather, Dinamica Alcantara and satin carbon fibre inlays. With this being the 25 years edition, you get the Audi Sport RS bucket seats, which are trimmed with the yellow stitch, do have the carbon seat backs and are manually adjustable. Looking above now, we find the virtual cockpit display, which is featured the RS GT rev counters. This screen can also be used to access telephone connectivity as well as important vehicle data. Upwards now, we find the fantastic digital MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation, and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front passengers. Looking downwards towards the centre console, we do find the commemorative plaque to identify this is 123 of the 250 units worldwide, and there are only 50 within the UK. We are privileged to have this in stock here at Stafford Audi, and for more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.